Okay guys, welcome back. Today I will start a YouTube comments mastery. This series will have 10 videos and we'll start with our first video that will be named n8n plus Ollama Gemma3 1B that will analyze the YouTube comment sentiment on our YouTube videos. Okay, what you learn today? You learn how to fetch YouTube comments automatically using the n8n and the YouTube Data API, how to process multiple comments in video individually using the split out node in n8n, how to extract the fields like the comment, username, and the data, and how to analyze the comment sentiment using the Ollama Gemma3 1B model. Okay, let's start the video. So you have the first node, that is the manual trigger that will execute the whole n8n workflow. After that, you have the YouTube video that will extract the video ID because we need the comments from our video, and the snippet that will get the comment, the username, and the date from the snippet. Okay, next will be the HTTP request that will apply the data API. So here on the URL you will have this comment thread. On the part will be the snippet and the video ID will be our video ID, and max results. If you put 10 means first 10 comments, and your API key from YouTube. Okay, let's continue. Good. The split out. So you have the split out node because here you have an array of items like kind, tag, ID, snippet. So you want to split out only the snippet that will give us the top level comment, the channel ID, the text. Good. After that, you have to the set node that extract the comment, that is our comment from our video. Let's execute again to see. So I type this comment. The username is my channel username and the date when the comment was published. Okay, after that you need the AI agent with the Ollama chat model. I installed the Ollama chat model manually. These two models, Gemma 3.1b and Gemma 3.4b, but today I will use the Gemma 3.1b. Okay, after that we need a prompt from the user AI agent. So on the prompt I put this to analyze the sentiment of the YouTube comment and the JSON comment because that field is from this field comment. Okay, so let's execute to see the sentiment. Waiting. So you see the output, it's the sentiment is positive, and the comment is this comment express enthusiastic approval and the positive learning experience. Okay, let's continue. Also, you see, because the output is name output, we want to put in our Google Sheet not to be name output, but to be name sentiment. So we have another set node that will be name sentiment, and after execute, instead output will be named sentiment. Okay. After that, you need the merge node to unite those fields, the comment, username, and the date, with the field sentiment. Okay, so this node merge, it's the mode will choose combine, not append, combine by position, and the number of inputs here we have the two. So execute, and will be on the same row also the comment, the username, the date, and the sentiment. Okay, all of this you want to put in the node Google Sheets. So I already make a file. So from list I have series 1. You see, let's open it. It's empty. And list, from list we have the video 1. You see, this is the name of the sheet video 1 and the file name is series 1. Okay, let's execute. So all of this we need to be populated in our Google Sheet. Let's see. So you see, we have the comment, the username, the date, and the positive, and also the text that our AI exprime. This comment expresses enthusiasm, approval, and positive learning experience. Every time we execute the workflow, we will have another comment. Let's see it. Okay, let's see the Google Sheet now. The comment username is the same, date is the same, but the comment is different. It's because you have different feeling of learning and satisfaction. Let's execute again. Okay, after this you have another comment. Good, but if you want to don't have any comment and you want only the sentiment, let's modify here and put without any explanation. Let's execute to see. Execute. You see, you have only the positive now. And let's see, let's execute the overflow. And let's see. Let's execute again the overflow to see it. Perfect. We have the comment, username, date, and now we only have the positive sentiment. Okay guys, that was all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Like and subscribe for the video 2 of this series. Bye bye.